Hi, my name's Emma and I'm here today on behalf of Kryolan. I'm a part of their pro team teaching a special effects workshop. In today's workshop we were teaching special effects and we were doing on-skin effects, which is all your blood, cuts and gore. I really enjoy doing all of the workshops here at LCBT. I really like to get all of the students really engaged when I'm working, and it's a great way for it to be interactive with the products as well as all of the actual experience within the industry. I was actually here at LCBT about 10 years ago, and obviously my career has developed from there. I ended up specialising in special effects and theatrical based makeup, and I actually ended up turning into a bridal makeup artist. So when I say I really have done every part of the industry, I truly mean it. But I do really feel like that is the best way to try and discover what you truly enjoy, by not pigeonholing yourself. When I was actually here at LCBT and I was doing the first ever hair and media makeup course, we did one day where we did a special effects course. It was using latex and tissue, but I absolutely loved the creativity that came from it. That alone inspired me to want to do special effects going forward. I do still love doing all of the creative parts of the industry, and that's actually one of the reasons I work at Kryolan, because they allow me to be creative. I get to do the drag workshops, I get to teach the special effects, I get to do the body painting, the face painting. In day-to-day bridal, that would not happen. So it's something that for me was a really nice way of being able to have both sides of my passion come to life. I also do love the fact that it's a part of the professional side of the industry. I do think freelancing is very different to the professional side. We get to do a lot of photo shoots and campaigns, and that is something that I really do enjoy. We also get to go on brand trips and also doing YouTubes and stuff in their head office in Berlin. So there are just lots of other avenues that come from working at Kryolan. I really want the students to go away and be inspired by the workshop, from the industry knowledge, or whether it's the products themselves or the actual class that we're teaching. It would be lovely for them to really try a little bit of everything, because that is where they're going to really find what they truly love.